undertook to find a hotel to live in. He had his agent call. His agent spent 2.5 hours on the phone trying to find a hotel. Nobody would take Big Paul. He came back, the agent came back to Paul, and Paul says, "Don't stop, keep trying." He went back and he spent another 2 hours, and he finally came back with the most expensive hotel in Los Angeles, the Beverly Wilshire Hotel, where Paul could have a room if he registered under a different name. And some people would say, Paul could have said that they don't want me, I don't want them. He had plenty of places to stay, friends, black and white, you see. But he chose to take this room, pay this expensive suite, the money for it. It was $100 a day, which in those days was a lot. Today it would be $500 a day. He sat in the lobby of the hotel, took the room under the name of Jacobson, and sat in the lobby of the hotel, made a point to sit there every afternoon so that they could see the color of his face and see who was staying at the hotel. So he won this victory. And I asked him why he did this. He said, this is to make it easier for other black singers